Hello guys, my name is Ilya Demenkov. I'm head of bars at the Lost Estate, and today we're going to be talking about these 5 spirits and how to make 15 cocktails out of it. Today we are going to be using vodka, gin, white rum, tequila and orange liqueur. To make these 15 cocktails at home at your own comfort, you don't need a lot and you don't need to spend much. Most of them are household items anyway, so you'll need a knife, a cutting board, lemon lime squeezer, you can do it by hand if you wanted to, a shaker that costs probably a tenner, so won't break the bank, a spoon. If you don't have a bar spoon, use a latte spoon or any long spoon really. A muddler, so that's something that you muddle fruit in a glass. A jigger, which will help you to measure exact amount of alcohol. That's very important, so you'll need to buy one of these. And a strainer. So this is just a simple strainer, and that's a fine strainer to ensure that there is no ice getting into the glass when you don't want any. We'll start with vodka, the mother of all spirits. There's no need to invest in a very expensive product when you make a cocktail using vodka. This is really a backbone of your drink. So anything under 20 quid will do. That will be perfectly fine for a cocktail. So this is called Moscow Mule. It has only 4 ingredients, which is vodka, lime juice, sugar and ginger beer. Ice goes first. 1 full measure of vodka, or 50 ml of vodka, a generous squeeze of lime juice, a heaped spoon of caster sugar. These are your first 3 ingredients. Stir until you see that the tin starts to frost. Top up with ginger beer. Stir some more. Some crushed ice on top. And we garnish it with a mint spring. There you have it, a Moscow Mule in under 3 minutes. Let's give it a go. This is so good. So guys, next one is the Cosmo. Everybody loves Cosmo. It's a very elegant and sophisticated cocktail. In addition to your vodka, you'll need orange liqueur, some cranberry juice, lime and orange peel. Whenever using martini glasses or martini style glasses such as this, it's always great to chill the glass first. For better result, add some water to your ice, so this will chill the glass a lot faster. Ice goes first. 40 ml of vodka, and I'll be using even quantities of lime juice, cranberry juice and orange liqueur, so it's easy to remember. All 3 of them are 20 ml. Now we shake it. Use the fine strainer to catch all the ice bits so they don't reach the glass. Look at that color. This is absolutely perfect. We'll garnish it with an orange zest. For the best effect, you want to press the oil next to the glass. Off it goes, and this is your Cosmopolitan. Next one up, guys, is the espresso martini, everybody's favorite. You'll need vodka, a coffee liqueur, and a good quality espresso coffee. The better the quality of the coffee is, the better it will basically elevate the quality of the drink. And you'll need a bit of sugar just to even out the bitterness of the coffee. So ice goes first. 40 ml of vodka, 25 of coffee liqueur and 40 ml of good quality coffee. Now I'll add 1 bar spoon of sugar. Now there is a secret ingredient which you don't need to tell your guests about because it doesn't sound too appealing, but do use it and it will elevate the cocktail like crazy. It's a pinch of salt, believe it or not. This must be hard shaken. This will create the froth effect on the glass. The harder you shake, the longer you shake, the more froth it will create. Double strained. Now you want to pour it really gently and slowly, and this is what you're looking for. Let's see if it's any good. A bar quality cocktail at home. The last vodka cocktail for today is gonna be everybody's favorite Bloody Mary. As we said, it's a vodka-based cocktail, so we start with ice. It doesn't need to be shaken, it's stirred in a mixing glass, so ice goes first. We'll use 60 ml of vodka, a good quality tomato juice, 150 of that. Now, when you add your spices, don't be predictable and use Tabasco like everybody does. Use something a bit more interesting. So we've chosen for today an Louisiana style hot sauce. Because it's very hot, we'll just use 5 ml of that. Now, a very generous squeeze of lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. We're going to be using celery salt. And now we stir it. We'll be stirring for about 30 seconds. There's a number of garnishes you can do. You can do fresh celery, you can do a variety of herbs, lemon. My personal favorite is a caperberry. And then we have it, Bloody Mary garnished with a caperberry. Gin, such a versatile spirit. Again, in a cocktail when there are 4, 5, 6 ingredients, the base gin or the kind of entry-level gin will do just fine. Once again, under 20 quid. Gin martini is, or any martini, is not for everybody, right? It's a very strong drink. Only 2 ingredients, but that's why it's very important to get this right. Once again, we'll chill the glass fast. Now we are going to use a mixing glass to make a martini. Unlike Mr. Bond says,
shaken, not stirred.
It needs to be stirred, all right? So don't listen to him. Ice goes fast. Now we're going to be using our only other ingredient. Dry vermouth, we'll use 3 dashes of that. We're going to coat the ice in vermouth. And now I'm going to discard the liquid from the mixing glass. I want the gin to come through and I want the gin to shine. And this is as little vermouth as I want in my martini. 60 ml of that. I recommend at least 30 seconds of continuous stirring. Now, garnish can be anything from, olive or lime or lemon or grapefruit peel, really. It depends what you like. We're going to be using lemon peel. Once again, express the oils into the glass and off it goes. Looks very simple, but it takes practice to get this right. That's how I like it. Dry like my sense of humor. Next one we have is gin gimlet. So what you'll need is gin. We'll need some lime cordial, juice from both lemon and lime, and a spoon of caster sugar. It's done in a shaker, so ice goes fast. Okay, we've got 50 ml of our beautiful gin, as much as 20 of lime cordial, and then we want only 5 ml of both lime and lemon. Teaspoon of caster sugar. We shake it. Glass is chilled and now we strain. And we garnish with a lime wedge on the rim. There we have it, gin gimlet. Okay, the next gin cocktail is my personal favorite, so I'm hoping to do it justice. And it's called French 75. So it's a very elegant, very refreshing cocktail topped up with champagne. Perfect for the hot summer day. We start with adding a spoon of caster sugar into the bottom of our shaker and squeezing 15 ml of lemon juice. Now what we want to do, we want to dissolve this sugar. We'll add our ice and 45 ml of our gin. Quick shake. And we'll strain it in our champagne flute. Now all we need to do is top it up with the champagne. A dry style is preferred, but you can use also Prosecco or any sparkling wine you want. And we'll garnish it with a lemon peel. Simple and elegant champagne cocktail called French 75. Hi guys, I'm back unexpectedly. We managed to forget to shoot one cocktail and hence me wearing different shirt. But we'll give it our best shot now, and if it's your favorite, I do apologize. Right, so Tom Collins, how do we do it? It's only 4 ingredients. Ice first. You can shake it. You can shake the first 3 ingredients if you wanted to, but you don't need to, really. So gin goes first, it's 60 ml, then 25 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice, drop of sugar, so not more than 5 ml, just to kind of balance it nicely. Give it a gentle stir and top it up with soda water. As simple as that. Now soda is in, so let's make sure it's mixed throughout. There we go, done now. Slice of orange as your garnish. And off you go. Tom Collins, made in under 30 seconds. Rum, mostly used for Caribbean vibe cocktails. There are aged rums or golden rums, spiced rums. That's, as well widely used in the cocktails, but for this particular series we chose the white one. We will be doing nation's favorite Mojito first. You want your highball glass or any tall glass you can find in the cupboard. What you're looking for is 6 good lime wedges, a generous bar spoon of sugar, and we want to express that lime juice with a muddler. So now we're going to stir it and make sure it's consistent so it doesn't stay at the bottom of the glass. We're going to add some crushed ice. Fill the glass halfway and start stirring. Now we're going to add some mint. And we stir again. You really want to combine those ingredients at this stage. 50 ml of rum. We'll add some more crushed ice. And in goes the soda water. Give it one final stir. Final addition of crushed ice. And there you have it, one delicious mojito. Next one up is a classic daiquiri. Has only 3 ingredients, nowhere to hide, so it has to be done perfectly. Made in a shaker, so ice goes fast. In the shaker we put 60 ml of our white rum, 20 ml of lime juice and a spoon of sugar. Now we shake. And we'll garnish it with a lime wedge on the rim. This is so refreshing. This is absolutely beautiful. Last but not least, something that everybody is familiar with, the humble rum and coke. So you don't need to shake or stir it, you can just build it in a glass, put ice fast. 50 ml of rum goes in. It's topped up with coke. Obviously you don't want it sickly sweet, so that's why you need to use a generous amount of lime juice to balance it out. And we just simply top it up with coke. Give it a good stir and you garnish it with 2 lime wedges. There we go, our Cuba Libre. Okay guys, now we are moving on to tequila and I've got 3 great cocktails for you. We'll start with something called Paloma, which is in essence is tequila and grapefruit juice. In our shaker we'll add some ice first, 50 ml of our tequila, 25 ml of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice, approximately 10 to 15 ml of lime juice, a gentle squeeze of agave syrup, not more than 5 ml, and now we shake it. Tall glass, liquid goes into the glass over ice and we top it up with a grapefruit soda. If you can't get hold of grapefruit soda, just regular soda will do just fine. We'll give it a quick stir. You can garnish it with any citrus fruit that you like. And there you have it, Paloma. Next one up is Margarita. It has orange liqueur or triple sec and lime. Okay, ice goes fast. 45 ml of our tequila, half of that amount of the orange liqueur of your choice, 20 to 25. Same ratio of lime juice as orange liqueur, so they need to be equal parts. We'll finish it off with a small amount of agave syrup, 5 ml will do. Now we shake it. And we'll garnish our margarita with a lime or lime wheel on the side. We'll finish off our tequila-based cocktails with something called Tequila Sunrise. It's tequila, orange juice, and your citrus. Easy to make, you don't need a shaker for that, you can just build it in a glass. Okay, ice first. In goes tequila. Now we'll add our freshly squeezed orange juice, a touch of lime, not too much, and we'll drizzle a bit of grenadine on top, and we'll garnish it with a slice of orange. Tequila Sunrise. Alright guys, finally we are back where we started from. This is going to be the cocktail which incorporates all 5 spirits that we've used so far. It's called Long Island iced tea. Ice goes fast and we'll be using only 10 ml of each spirit. So as you can imagine, it's a pretty strong cocktail. So 10 ml of each. Vodka fast, white rum, gin, tequila and our orange liqueur. Either lemon or lime juice to follow. I'll use both. We want about 10 to 12 ml of that. And now we shake what we've got so far. Now we're going to assemble the drink. You can simply pour it over ice in your tall glass and top it up with Coke, or you can layer it if you prefer. In that case, Coke goes first. And now we'll gently pour our spirits and juices. That's your Long Island iced tea layered. Remember to pour the Coke first. You don't have to do that, you can just pour what you've shaken and then top it up with Coke. There we have it, Long Island iced tea layered. We do hope this video has been helpful for you, for those who want to get into mixology. This is an example of 15 drinks made out of these 5 spirits. And it's a good example of what you can do at home with minimum skill and minimum kind of investment into equipment. However, if you're in the London area and you want to experience mixology at its best, do come to the Lost Estate. To see more of our content, please subscribe to our channel, and there will be more videos to come, and we'll see you soon.